everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I'm going to be doing this Halloween makeup, which is a geisha makeup. I hope that you like it. I have a really good time doing this makeup. I think it turned out to look pretty good. I like doing this Halloween makeup, you know, because it's a lot of fun, and when you see the final result, it's like, wow, yeah, it does look like that. So anyway, if you want to see how I did this makeup, just stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, I already started by putting on my foundation and my concealer, and my foundation I put it on my neck also, and I don't know if you can notice my foundation is a little lighter than my skin tone, and I want that because the geishas, you know, have a really white foundation on. Now I don't have a white foundation, but I do have this pencil from NYX in the color Milk, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I did put my foundation on and my concealer on beforehand because I think that's gonna give a little help to the pencil to look stronger. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the pencil on my face so I can blend in this color, this white color. I'm gonna grab my beauty sponge and start blending. I'm gonna try to go as high on my forehead as I can. I'm also going to put it on my ear, see? And I'm gonna blend it in, but I'm going to blend it in with my fingers because it's just easier than using the sponge. Now that I finished applying the white pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this loose powder by e.l.f. and it's let me show you. And it's white looking, see? So it's gonna be perfect for this. So I'm gonna grab my sponge, I'm gonna wet it with a little of water. I'm going to put the powder on my hand, pick it up with the sponge and start putting it on my face. And I'm going to put it all over where I put the white pencil. On my ears. We're gonna work on the eyes right now, and the first color I'm going to use is this one, which is a plain white matte eyeshadow. I'm going to pick at the color and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. I'm just going to pat it all over. Now I'm gonna grab this white eyeshadow, but this one is a very shimmery eyeshadow. It has a lot of shine, and I'm going to put it on top of the white eyeshadow. Then I'm going to grab a glitter eyeshadow by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put it right here in this area. And the good thing about this glitter eyeshadow is I don't have to use a glue to put it on. It sticks automatically to your skin. Now I'm gonna grab this pink eyeshadow and I'm going to place it, see, all over the place there. And when I'm placing it, I'm making sure to make like a triangle that goes all this way, see? Now I'm going to use this color, which is a dark pink color. It's not red, it's pink, almost red. And I'm gonna put it right there in here. But this time I'm just going to make two lines, one from here to here and another one from here to here. And they both are gonna end there. I'm not passing over, just stopping here. Now I'm going to be using burst bead. And the color is Napa 1 Yard 435. And I'm gonna use a really thin brush. See how thin this is? And it has an angle there. But my main concern is that it's super thin. See? I'm gonna be placing the red color right here. Now I'm gonna grab this color and I'm going to put it on top of this to seal this product. Now I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm sorry about that. I was just taking my how you call this, my liner, so it has color in it for me to line my eyes. And I'm going to make sure to do a thin liner and very close to the eyelashes. And I don't want to do a cat eye, so I'm not gonna go this way. I'm gonna go straight forward like that. And I want to make sure a little of the red shows on top of the black eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and retouch it. Then I'm gonna grab this color again with this brush. I'm gonna put some of the color there because I don't want to put too much. And I'm just gonna put it here and use it as a blush. Then I'm gonna go on top with the white powder and try to blend it in a little better because I don't want it to be that strong. Now, since I have a Japanese wall or Chinese wall, see, that has these pretty flowers right here, I'm going to draw those flowers here on this side of my face. And I'm gonna paint the flowers. And I'm gonna grab the white pencil from NYX and I'm gonna put just a little bit, like a dot or something, just to give it some light and dimension. Then I'm gonna use the glitter eyeshadow, the one from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna put some sparkle all over. See how pretty! I like that. Okay, I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'm going to use this to remove any excess of product or any product that is there. Now I'm going to use this again and I'm going to start drawing my eyeshadow, my eyebrow. And I basically going to put this red color or hot dark pink color on the edges of my eyebrow. I'm going to use this black eyeshadow, which is a matte black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna fill in my brows. And my objective here is my eyebrows show two colors, the red one and the black one. So just, you know, be patient and work it out little by little. I think I need a little more coverage here on the nose, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my matte eyeshadow, white eyeshadow. I'm going to use this brush again and this product, and I'm going to apply it. I'm going to apply my mascara in the upper and lower lashes and then my fake lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay everybody, this is a final look. I hope that you like it. I like it a lot. I have a lot of fun doing it. I think it looks pretty good. I like this part. You know, I got a little creative today. See, I had a lot of fun doing this makeup. I hope that you like it. If you like the video, like it, subscribe and comment. Let me know if you are going to wear this look or this makeup Halloween or geisha makeup Halloween. For Halloween, if you're gonna wear it, let me know. You know how it turned out for you. I like it myself. I think it looks pretty cool. That's it for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.